How much does an electrician make in Monaco? On average, an electrician in Monaco earns around 75,400 US dollars a year. That adds up to roughly $6,283 each month before tax. An entry-level electrician salary in Monaco sits well below this average figure, but you will see that how much does an electrician make in Monaco goes up fast as you learn the trade. Pay usually plateaus after a few years, unless you take on more responsibility, which is why gaining a higher education degree helps you move into better roles. Having extra qualifications raises your electrician income and lets you advance into a site supervisor or a master electrician. On top of that, small local shops pay a fraction of what large international companies offer. These multinational firms have bigger budgets, so average electrician pay is noticeably more if you work for them. While local jobs offer simple electrician wages, switching to bigger employers brings home substantially higher pay.